first, kuana ka na magpasalamat.
Thank you, Kayo.
Akong basahon, Konsa.
Sige.
Lapu-Lapu City Government through the Local Economic Development and Investment Promotions Office and the Public Employment Service Office, PESO, plaque of recognition is awarded to Honorable Annabeth Mama Abet D. Quizon, City Councilor, in grateful recognition of her key role and contributions in support to the Public Employment Service Office, Lapu-Lapu City, as a staunch advocate of PESO institutionalization at Tupapakan, which led for the passage of City Ordinance Number 17-005-2025 entitled An Ordinance Creating the Public Employment Service Office in the City of Lapu-Lapu, enacted last July 30, 2025 and approved by City Mayor Maria Cynthia Cindy King-Chan last August 14, 2025, earning her to be called the mother of the PESO Ordinance of Lapu-Lapu City, given the 7th day of January 2026, Lapu-Lapu City Hall. Signed, yours truly, Mayor Cindy and Kong Ahok.
Yay. Thank you very much. Salamat kaayo sa recognition sa atong effort no nga gihimo nga para gyud ma-institutionalize ang inyong office no, mahimo na gyud tang puhon, mahimo na gyud tang department no, dili na siya sub office sa atong city mayor but kuan na gyud siya stand alone office na gyud siya no. So through this ordinance we hope and pray na we will be able to serve more beneficiaries mga upunganons, no? Especially sa paghimo na gid kay by creating the office, you will also be creating new plantilla, new positions na makatabang ni Sir Kim, makatabang ninyo sa pag-implement sa inyong mga programs, services, and your mandate as a PESO office. No? So, salamat kaayo for this recognition. And good luck!
Yes,
Good luck,
to us.
good luck. Thank you.
Thank you. So this is just the beginning, guys. No, we're positive, no, na kanang mapalambo pag ginato, mapalapdan ato ang serbisyo sa PESO office. So niya, this will not be possible without of course, the support of our kanang mga staunch allies, no, sa PESO institutionalization, no, si Cons Mama Abet. Kanya, we're here, Cons, full force to show our kanang pasalamat, our being grateful to you, and sayod yun ko no nga kanang si Cons Abet mag-chat mi ani matagabi by sa PESO institutionalization.
No. Hapit na ni siya manluon. Ayaw sa panluon. Ato na ni workout bitaw.
Yes. So, nakatabang siya sa mental health. Nako. Actually. So, kanang niabot na yun, no? Niabot na yun ang panahon. Among pagyukbo kanimo Cons sa imuhang trabaho, sa paglihok sa konseho na mahimo na yung department mga nga PESO Lapu-Lapu.
Okay, as a backgrounder, taod-taod na yun nga gilabi ni Sir Kim na mahimo na yun mo nga department, no? Pero sige lang kay it takes a while for the process to move on, kay especially it needs budget. So, finally, nanagyan niya. Tinood ng gisulti ni Sir Kim na ako siyang umungan ka ng sa iyang mga messages pa kay mahadlok na ayaw sa tapos mo ka ng panluod. Ako siyang unungan o ka ng mahala na alas 12 na kagabi na mga maring panayon lang ng message basta ingon ana no niya. Ako po as the appointed CTEC sa Lapu-Lapu City kay ako ni hatagid ko sa akong courtesy resignation ni Mayor Cindy upon her assumption as our mayor pero I was again appointed man, so salamat lang po ko sa iyang trust and confidence and we will be working together kay ang PESO ng CTEC kita raman usara man siya, so magtinabangay ra gyapon ta, no? Sige, thank you kaayo for this.
So, Gons, ang buhay ng pasahon, ang special nga plaque of recognition. Lapu-Lapu City Government through the Local Economic Development and Investment Promotions Office and the Public Employment Service Office, PESO. Plaque of recognition is awarded to Honorable Celestino Tino C. Aying, City Councilor, Chairman of the Committee on Labor and Employment, in grateful recognition of his key role and contributions in support to the Public Employment Service Office, for PESO, Lapu-Lapu City, as a staunch advocate of PESO institutionalization and proponent of Resolution number 17-0150-2025. He is responsible for the passage of City Ordinance number 17-005-2025 entitled An Ordinance Creating the Public Employment Service Office, PESO, in the City of Lapu-Lapu, enacted last July 30, 2025 and approved by City Mayor Mayasinia Cindy King Chan last August 14, 2025, earning him to be called the father of PESO Ordinance of Lapu-Lapu City. Given the 7th day of January 2026 at Lapu-Lapu City Hall. Signed, yours truly, City Mayor Ma'am Cindy and Kong Ahong. Congratulations, Cons. Okay.
Thank you so much.
You deserve.
Resolution commending Mr. Kim R. Francisco for his exemplary leadership and outstanding service as head of Public Employment Service Office, PESO, of the City of Lapu-Lapu. Whereas it is declared policy of state as provided under Republic Act number 8759, otherwise known as the Public Employment Service Office Act of 1999, to promote full employment and equality of employment opportunities for all by strengthening and expanding the existing employment facilitation service machinery of the government, particularly at the local levels. Whereas in the City Ordinance number 17-005-2025, an ordinance creating the Public Employment Service Office, PESO in Lapu-Lapu City, serve as vital arm of the local government in promoting gainful employment, livelihood opportunities, and manpower development for constituents of the City of Lapu-Lapu. Whereas, Mr. Kim Francisco, as the head of the PESO office, has demonstrated unwavering dedication, integrity, and commitment to the office mission of providing efficient employment facilitation and labor market service to the people. Whereas, under his leadership, the PESO office has successfully implemented numerous employment programs, job fairs, labor initiative, and partnership with both public and private sectors, significantly improving employment opportunities within the city. Whereas, Mr. Francisco holds and is slated to hold prominent leadership position in the public employment service sector, including serving as president of the League of PESO Managers Cebu Chapter 2025-2028. 3 years ni pa, no?
Yes, ma'am.
The Regional President of PESO MAP Central Visayas 2026-2028 and National Board of Trustees of PESO MAP 2026-2028, demonstrating his commitment and influence in employment facilitation governance. Whereas Mr. Francisco, as the PESO manager, has led the Lapu-Lapu City PESO to achieve remarkable and consistent excellence, evidenced by receiving the top performing PESO office and PESO manager in Region 7 award from the Department of Labor and Employment, Dole Region 7, for 5 consecutive years. Taas na rin mga award na rin.
Thank you, Brad.
Fiscal year 2020 through fiscal year 2024, alongside numerous special regional awards for superior performance in key areas such as job placement, utilizing the PS system, labor market reporting, and establishing Barangay PESO, in addition to securing national finalist recognition from Dole and multiple mayor special awards from the local government unit. Whereas the Sangguniang Pangungusod of the City of Lapu-Lapu recognizes the valuable contribution and remarkable performance of Mr. Francisco in uplifting the lives of many through his work in PESO office. Now, therefore, on motion of this representation, duly seconded by Honorable Cleomaco Montortato Jr. and Honorable Arian Nel Yap, resolved as it is hereby resolved to commend and congratulate Mr. Kim Francisco for his exemplary leadership at sa bakbakan Assigning public service and unwavering dedication in elevating the Lapu-Lapu City Public Employment Service Office to a nationally and regionally recognized standard of excellence. So further, that a copy of this resource, of course, ato niya sa mayor o sa atong kugihan kaya si Mr. Trabo. Pre, congratulations, pre.
Thank you.
Republic of the Philippines, City of Lapu-Lapu, Office of the Mayor, the Lapu-Lapu City Government through the Local Economic Development and Investment Promotions Office, LECO, and the Public Employment Service Office, PESO. Plaque of recognition is awarded to the 17th Sangguniang Panglusod, headed by its presiding officer, Vice Mayor Solidonius LCC Torre, MD, in grateful recognition of their efforts in passing City Ordinance Number 17-005-2025, an ordinance creating the Public Employment Service Office PESO in the city of Lapu-Lapu, otherwise known as the Public Employment Service Office PESO Ordinance of Lapu-Lapu City, which was enacted July 30, 2025, and thereafter signed and approved by the City Mayor Maria Cynthia CDT Chan in August 13, 2025. Given this 7th day of January 2026 at Session Hall, Lapu-Lapu City Hall, signed yours truly, signed by our beloved City Mayor Maria Cynthia CDT Chan, and signed our known district representative district of Lapu-Lapu City. Congratulations and thank you so much. 7 days of the nomination.
Thank you. God bless.